Top nutrition facts you need to know. Drinking cold water can actually help you burn more calories because your body has to work harder to warm it up. Raw honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, and it can help soothe a sore throat. Eating a small amount of dark chocolate every day may help improve your blood pressure and heart health. Pomegranate juice is high in antioxidants and has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body. The nutrient choline, found in foods like eggs and liver, is essential for brain function and can help protect against age-related cognitive decline. Algae oil is a vegan-friendly source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for brain health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Black rice, also known as forbidden rice, is a great source of antioxidants and may help improve heart health. Brazil nuts are one of the richest dietary sources of selenium, a mineral that can help boost the immune system. Cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and may help lower cholesterol. Eating a diet rich in fiber can help promote healthy digestion and may reduce the risk of certain cancers.